here is how you can delete messages for everyone on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So if I open up a message chat, and I can type in a message which I send to somebody else like this. And when I click on send, you can see that it appears on the other person's device. But what I can do is to hold down on that text bubble, click on more options, which is actually, I don't even have to click on the more options because it's right here. It's the undo send. And when I click on undo send, you can see that it disappears on one device as well as on the other one. So if you want to delete message for everyone, not just for yourself, you have to undo the message. But keep in mind that it doesn't work forever. Like if too much time passes after you send the message, you cannot really undo that because, it's not going to give you the option. All you can do then is to as well just hold down on the message, tap on more and click on the delete. But as you can notice, it only makes it disappear from one device, and this isn't deleting it for everybody. So if you want to delete it for the other party as well, the only option to do it is to undo the send, and you kind of have like a 2-minute time frame, I believe, to make that happen, and then it's just not going to be possible. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to make that work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.